Hello and welcome to Contentrain's walkthrough video series. In this video, we are going to take a glance at your workspace settings. To access the workspace settings, just click on the drop-down menu here and find the workspace name you want to view the settings and click on the wheel icon next to it. If you can't see your workspace listed here, you can click See All Workspaces to access them all. In the workspace settings, you have 4 categories. The Overview tab is where you can upload or delete your workspace logo, rename your workspace, edit your registered email address, or delete the workspace permanently unless it's your primary workspace. The Theme tab will show you the list of the workspace collaborators you've invited. Click the Invite New Collaborator button here to invite new collaborators to your workspace or delete the existing ones. Please ensure that you need to have a professional plan for this feature. The Plan and Billing tab shows you the plan you have subscribed for Contentrain, and you can explore more plans and upgrade your plan by clicking the Explore Plans button. And here below, you can see the billing details and view your invoices. And lastly, in the Git Settings tab, you can see your Git account connected to your workspace and view your repositories. And you can also manage the permissions for this account or disconnect from it. Please note that each workspace can be connected to only one Git account. For more insights, you can watch other videos of Contentrain's walkthrough series.